Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make this very powerful antibacterial disease fighting smoothie to flush out all those bacteria, germs from your system, making you have bacterial infections or toxins that lead to deadly illnesses, for a very clean and good health, and you glow effortlessly from within as well, because if your system is clean from the inside, that is how you glow outerly as well. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with this very yummy cleansing disease fighting smoothie to cleanse toxins out of your system, forming a disease fighting barrier as well against diseases and sicknesses, so you can always stay healthy, free from diseases and sicknesses. So feel free to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. So let's get into it. So in order to come up with this antibacterial disease fighting smoothie, the first ingredient we'll need is an ingredient with antibacterial properties, and that first ingredient will be onion. Onion is a very powerful antibacterial to clear bacteria from your system, germs, help to flush out all those toxins in your system, making you have bacterial infections or leading to other illnesses, so your system can be clean now and free from diseases and illnesses. So this is the first ingredient. It is equally loaded with so many nutrients. It has been researched that it has anti-cancer properties in it. It helps to lower blood pressure. It helps to boost digestion. So many. It is a very powerful source of antioxidant to fight free radical damage from the inside as well, leaving your skin so clean and looking beautiful. So what I'll be using is half an onion. So you can use any onion. You can use the red or the white onion, anyone you can lay your hands on. So what you need is half an onion, and the quantity of the juice of today will be for 2 people. So I have just sliced my onion into tiny little sizes that I can easily blend. Remember, half an onion. Now I want to rewash, because I like washing my ingredients a lot. That is how you're free from bacteria. So this is my washed, sliced half an onion in this bowl, and this is the first ingredient. The second ingredient will be 1 apple. So as all doctors always say, an apple a day will take you away from the doctor. That is because apples are loaded with different vitamins and minerals, those nutrients that you need for the proper functioning of your system, and as well they have disease fighting properties. They are alkaline in nature to fight and form a disease fighting barrier in your system against diseases and illnesses. So this makes you always healthy if you are eating apples. So this is my 1 washed apple. You want to slice into tiny little sizes that you can easily blend as well. Apples are highly rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to glow the skin naturally from within. Vitamin C is a form of antioxidant as well to fight free radical damage from the inside, so you can glow, having that beautiful clear skin, because free radical damage causes skin issues. So if you fight them with an antioxidant like this, you have a clear skin, free from free radical damage with all those skin congestion and skin issues, for clearer looking skin. So these are the first 2 ingredients. The third ingredient I'll be adding in here will be half a cucumber. So depending on the size of your cucumber, this is the size. Like this cucumber is English cucumber, so it is really long. So this is half a cucumber, but if you have 1 cucumber that looks like this, that is okay, since it is for 2. So cucumbers are equally very good. They are alkaline in nature as well to form a disease fighting barrier in your system. They are like 98% water based to support your system to detox and flush toxins out of your system. It is liver friendly. It helps to cleanse your liver as well, so your liver can be in good state to flush out all those toxins and cleanse your blood naturally for you from within, which is what we all want. If your blood is clean, you are good health, your health is assured. If your liver is clean, just know it is like the main organ that is almost responsible for everything, for the proper functioning of your system. So cucumbers, your liver loves cucumbers, so feed your liver with cucumbers for good health. So this is my half a cucumber sliced into tiny sizes that I can easily blend. So yeah, I want to put all in a bigger bowl, like the other bowl was small. So in here is my apple, cucumber, onion. This is optional. If you don't have a green leafy vegetable, that is okay. I just need so many nutrients in here. This is for the purpose of fighting bacteria and cleansing the system. These green leafy vegetables, I am just adding in here just for extra nutrients. And this is spinach, just a handful of spinach. If you don't have spinach, that is good. This is just a handful of spinach I added in here. So voila. The next thing I'll add now is for flavor and taste, and that is banana. I love bananas a lot. They are highly rich in potassium as well to help with cleansing, and they are equally so tasteful and will give that beautiful yogurt or ice cream taste to your smoothie, so you don't feel like, so it will like cancel the smell of the onion, the greens, because greens can be very easy difficult to just get greens and start eating, or onion as well. So this banana is to neutralize and make it so comfortable consuming the smoothie. Like, I don't make my smoothies without adding bananas there for flavor and for that ice creamy kind of taste to the mouth. And bananas are equally loaded with so many other vitamins and minerals. It has a little bit of vitamin E to boost collagen production for that youthfulness and glow to the skin. Like, this combination is a powerhouse to give you that ageless glow from within, all these ingredients put together. But if you don't have the green leafy vegetable, as I just mentioned, you can skip it. If you have spinach at home, why not add it in there for extra nutrients? Because spinach too are highly rich in vitamin E to boost collagen production for that youthful glow to the skin. So these are the ingredients for this smoothie. This like nutrients. This is your health in this bowl. So what you need to do now is to pour all your ingredients in your blender. So yeah, putting my ingredients in the blender, and what I usually do is I add some ice blocks, like 2 ice blocks, because I like to consume my smoothies chilled in the mouth. So I always add like 2 ice blocks, so it doesn't just be flat in my mouth, but it will not be too cool. It will just taste so chilled in the mouth. So this is it. You want to blend to a very smooth consistency, like, so you don't eat particles of maybe the onion, or like, just try to make, you see how smooth it looks, you don't feel anything. That banana in there now has made this to be a green ice cream for you to consume, loaded with nutrients that your system needs to function properly, so you can have that good health free from diseases and illnesses. This is like wealth in this glass. This is your health, because health is wealth. So feel free to share. This is for two. Share with whoever you have at home, so you can all stay healthy, free from infections, bacteria, and sicknesses. And share this video with other friends and family, so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye. A bonne journée.